Right now, we want to go to Los Angeles entertainment attorney Tre Lovell to talk with us live, specifically about the responsibilities and liabilities on the film set. Tre, the fact that they won that victory yesterday in the earlier motions, that Alec Baldwin will not be listed as a producer because, one, it would have introduced a boatload of evidence. Tell me about that ruling.
No, that's huge. That's huge, because one of the main theories from the prosecution was that, hey, it was an unsafe set. They weren't following safety protocols, and it was under the guidance and control of Baldwin. And had he exercised safety and followed those protocols, Helena Hutchins would not have died. So it takes out a big chunk of the prosecution's case, and really limits the issues to Baldwin as just an actor. And with that, there's a lot of questions. You know, is an actor responsible for set safety, for gun safety, things like that? So it takes out a lot of the evidence. It refocuses the case, kind of pulls the rug out of the prosecution to some degree, and it's a big win.
Tre, it is no secret that a lot of big-name actors want to be listed as producers because it involves getting paid on the back end when films leave the theater and go to streaming and other venues. Is that something that could have come back to haunt Alec Baldwin in the case? And do you see that changing the way Hollywood deals with who is the executive producer, who is the producer, et cetera?
That's a very good point. And what was really overlooked by the prosecution and a lot of the media discussions out there of this producer issue is the fact that a producer is a credit. And people get credits for a number of reasons. You can get a producer credit for raising money for a movie, for bringing an element onto the set, for a number of other things. It doesn't automatically mean you have physical responsibility for management of the set. That is governed through the production agreements, often through the unions. And so it is very, very often that a high-level actor, an A-list celebrity, as part of their engagement deal as an actor, will get a producer credit. But it doesn't mean they have any responsibility whatsoever with set safety. So that was largely overlooked. But I don't think it's going to change anything, because what really governs the responsibilities of a producer are the contracts that they enter into and their roles on the set. Line producers, physical producers, they're in charge of set safety, right, of location, of equipment, of lighting, of scheduling, payroll, things like that. That is not the responsibility of an actor. And so we never really got into what the producer credit meant for Baldwin, but they would have had to introduce evidence that said, hey, you have a responsibility. And in most cases, they don't.
Los Angeles entertainment attorney Tre Lovell. Tre, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.